dalang insulin. Wala siyang dalang insulin. Wala siya lahat medication, hindi na-prepare. Anong klase kayo? Anong klase kayo? Anong klase kayo? Hindi, anong klase kayo? Hindi.
Nakakuha mo na ba?
Padalhin niyo muna sa doktor. Ang kailangan niya, doktor. Kailangan niya, doktor. Doktor muna.
Sir, please din, sir. Buhay ito, sir. Buhay ito, sir.
Hindi po ni sinabi, sana nakaprepare po kami, dinala namin ng mga gamot na kailangan.
Hindi yung gamot niya.
Hindi walang gamot. 80 years old.
Patay ito.
Paano po?
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, sir.
Sana pinasama niya, pinasama niya yung tuloy niya.
Sir, this is a police operation. Magaling mo na kayo, sir. Ulitin natin ulit, sir.
Sir, this is humanity.
Sandali muna. Back to square one. Earlier this day, I placed the former president under arrest. I have various rights, and I do believe that he has to submit to me. Okay? Now, we are now taking custody. A decision has been made. He's going to fly out. Okay?
Sir,
So,
you never told us.
kaya sinabi ko sir sa
We
inyo,
asked you where you
ma'am, sandali.
Sir, I was asking
Because-
you, sir, we were asking you kanina after the booking, what is next?
The decision has been given only
No,
a
sir,
few minutes ago.
that's not my question. My question is, after the booking,
Okay, please, encircle. Guys, encircle. I-out ang lahat except yung mga family.
Ganun mo na, sir.
Sir, nandun sir. We can do this the hard way, we can do this the easy way, sir. Believe me.
Let's just remind
I believe me, sir.
Sa anak.
Believe me,
Pagkantay ka
sir.
sa anak.
So, only two choices. Kung
Sir,
sabi,
let's be kind.
pasok ang mga lalaki.
Let's be kind.
Pasok ang mga lalaki. Chris,
Sir, can we
Masa
be
na yung taga-PUD?
kind?
this is a pure police operation.
I know.
The former president is under my custody because I have arrested him. I have given a leeway, bent backwards whole afternoon.
Matulak niyo
Please.
yan.
General, sa inyo po nang galing.
Umalis kayo. Umalis kayo dyan. Pag yan matulak. Pag yan matulak.
General, please, give us a little more.
Kasi sa inyo yan, be reasonable.
General, please, begging you. We're begging you.
Pasok ang mga lalaki.
We're begging you.
I will order the hearing of this room.
Huwag niyo lang.
Just give us a
I
little
will
more.
order the hearing of this room.
Sabi niyo, kung ngayon nyo lang nakuha yung order, give us a little time naman po. So you can just get these medicines ready.
Sir, tignan niyo yung kondisyon bago niyo po.
Yes, sir.
Tignan niyo yung kondisyon bago niyo po. Doktor, asan yung doktor? Asan na yung doktor? Akas na ng konti. Medyo kailangan ng hangin. Nag-oxygen na lang. Kahit kayo dyan. Ano ba naman? Boss, nothing at last lang.
Please lang, bigyan ng oras. Bigyan ng hangin, bigyan ng hangin. Bigyan ng hangin. Bigyan ng hangin. Bigyan ng hangin, sir. Bigyan ng hangin. Bigyan ng hangin. Pagkakalisin niyo.
Boss, labas na lang kung kasi ano lang hangin. Kailangan. Baka hindi na umabot siya sa pintuan.
Lagay na lang ng mga para na.
Basta konti.
Lagay ng gomi para.
This
this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight
Okay.
from... Sir, we need to
Hard way.
know. We
Hard-
need to know
ma'am,
where you're
ma'am,
bringing our
ma'am.
president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give
Ma'am.
us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way,
Kung
Tang
sino po
ina
may
ka.
pay grade,
The hard
pakisagot
way.
po kami.
the hard way is for me to